Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss the types of relationship, and under the type of relationship we will discuss one-to-many. In the previous video I gave you proper explanation on one-to-one relationship model. So, as we know that in the different types of relationship, the relationship is already mentioned, and you have to identify what are the primary keys, how the foreign key is taking references. Can we merge the different tables if we represent the AR model into relationship database model? So from this diagram, it's clear that this is the AR model where customer is an entity and these are the different kinds of attributes. You can see that inside the diamond I have written give, which will basically represent the relationship table. As it is a one-to-many relationship and the relationship is customer give order, it means that one customer can give many orders. Under customer, there are different types of attributes and there could be more attributes as well, but for your clear understanding, I have only included 3 attributes. These are ID, customer ID, name of the customer and the city in which the customer is living. If you move to order, if we convert order into a table, we will get order number, item name as well as the cost. Now, in case of customer ID, C1, C2, C3, C4, these represents the ID, A, B, C, A represents name. So I have written A twice, as you know that name could be repeated. I have written the city name twice, as you know that city name also could be repeated. Just because primary key, we can't write 2 IDs for a particular person, or ID couldn't be repeated. That's why it's the primary key of this table. Now, what is a primary key? What is a foreign key? How it functions? These are all explained in the previous videos. You can go through it if there is any confusion. I hope there is no confusion because nobody asks me any question. Next, if we convert order into a relationship database model, we will get order number, item name and cost. Here order numbers are represented as O1, O2, O3 and O4, and the item names are given respectively. Now in case of relationship table, that is the third table, which is this one, when we convert the give attribute into give entity into relationship table, we will take both the primary key as the foreign key, because foreign key takes references from the previous tables, and here the first one, that is customer ID, is acting as foreign key because it is the primary key of table 1. Order number is the foreign key because it is taking references from table 2, that is order. And the third one is date. We know that apart from foreign key, there could be other descriptive attributes which we can add up in the relationship table. Now, as we know that a customer can give many orders, but order value will be unique, which means ID could be repeated. I'm explaining again. हम कस्टमर के ID को रिपीट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि एक कस्टमर बहुत सारा ऑर्डर दे सकता है. That is C1, that is customer ID of first customer A. He or she gave an order O1. यही इंसान O2 भी ऑर्डर कर सकता है. That is the basic foundation of this type of relationship. One customer can give many orders. Listen carefully. Customer ID can be repeated in relationship table because one customer can give many orders, but order number can't be repeated. Okay, because order number is unique. एक order, एक item जिसको order करना है उसी के order number में आएगा, and it's very evident. You all are pro in online shopping, so you know that order numbers are different for different customers. Even if we are ordering 2 things simultaneously, then we will get different order numbers. So it's very evident that even a particular customer doesn't get same order number. So in case of relationship table, one to many, a customer can give many orders, but order value will be unique, and that's why here the primary key is order number, because in case of ID, customer ID, it will get repeated, and we know that in case of primary key we can't repeat anything under this attribute. So here our foreign key or our primary key will be order number. Now your next thing is that the question might come that in case of one-to-many relationship, which key acts as the primary key in case of relationship table when we convert it into database management system. So in that case, we will write that in case of one-to-many relationship, always the primary key of many side, that is many side means the order. Here in case it is order, it acts as the primary key for the relationship table. Now your next question is that, can we reduce the 3 tables into 2 tables? Just like the previous one, in case of 1-to-1 relationship, I converted 2 tables into 1. Sorry, I converted 3 tables into 2 tables. So similarly, here also by merging 2 tables, merging the 3 tables, we can convert it into 1. That is ID. We have taken ID from the first table, order number from the second table, and all other attributes are taken from the second table, and in this way the relationship table is formed. So I hope that the concept is clear to you, and even if it is not clear, you will not ask me questions. So there is no use of saying that if there is any doubt, ask me, because you are not going to ask. So thank you.